Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Play Store is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Google Play Store isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app, go to software update, and just make sure that your software is up to date. Then just go back, go to device here, go to storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, like almost 15 to 20 GB free with your internal storage to download and install any app as well. After doing this, you have to go to Play Store. You have to check if you can access your Play Store or your interface of your Play Store. If you can access your profile here, just click on profile icon, click on settings, go to about, click on update Play Store, and you have to try to update your Google Play Store because sometimes it might be if your Google Play Store have any pending update, so you might get these type errors here. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to keep a long press on your Play Store app, click this info button, and here just scroll down, go to storage, click clear cache. And once you've cleared cache, it will clear all the junk files and temporary files from your app. After clearing app, you have to retry it. After clearing cache, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not working for you, so that's the only way. Just keep a long press on your Play Store, click this info button, and here go to storage, click clear data, click delete, go back, go to force stop option here, click OK. And once you have forcefully stopped your Play Store, just scroll down in Control Center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. It will completely restart your phone, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.